Why is real estate such a great investment vehicle? I've heard it said a bunch of times that real estate is the driver for more millionaires and billionaires than any other investment vehicle, and for a long time I was very confused on why. So I'd like to talk today about 4 ways real estate pays you. When you own a property that somebody is renting from you, then every month they're paying you that rent, and you can take that money and put it in your pocket or go to use that as leverage to purchase more properties. The second way that real estate pays you is over time the market appreciates and gets more and more value. You can look back historically, and in any 10-year period you can see that the trend is going up and to the right. The third way that real estate pays you is going to be through taxes. And there's a few ways that you actually get tax breaks for owning real estate. And that's good information for another video, and I'll talk about that later. The fourth way that real estate pays you is called principal paydown. If you used a loan to go buy your rental property, every month somebody is paying you, that's your cash flow, and then you're taking from the cash flow and you go and pay the bank what they need for their mortgage. So somebody is living in your home and they are paying the loan for that home, and you get to keep the difference, and over time they're paying that loan down. Now, those are 4 ways that you make money in real estate. There's actually a bonus 5th. I've heard it called forced equity and equity capture. And that is when you purchase a home that might be beat up a little bit, you improve that home so that its value increases, and then you can refinance that property and take some of the initial down payment back out. Then you go through the process of cash flow and you get your appreciation, you get your tax deduction, and someone's paying down your note. So those are 5 different ways that you can make money in real estate, and that is why real estate is one of the best wealth building tools that we have.